Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nur ALISA BALQISH S65475. I'm here want to say I am sorry Dr. Shukri because I am late to send this assignment. It's because actually my all housemate was infected in COVID. So that's why I am infected too. So I cannot do my work properly and cannot edit very well. And also it's about a week and a few days, so I feel better. So right now I'm just have the energy to do this assignment. So I hope doctor can forgive me because I really need these marks because I am trying to do my best for this assignment. Thank you. So for this assignment I choose chapter 5 solid state synthesis method, which is I choose sol gel method. Okay, so sol gel is actually a bottom-up approach, which is assembling the atoms, molecule, or small units into larger compact structure. So for this approach can produce highly precise and uniform structure. To talk about sol gel method, what is sol? Sol is a stable suspension of colloidal solid particle or polymer in a liquid. So how about gel? Gel is actually a porous, three-dimensional, continuous solid network surrounding a continuous liquid phase. So what is colloidal? Colloidal is actually a agglomeration of dense colloidal particle. What is polymeric gel? So it's a agglomeration of polymeric particle made from subcolloidal units, while agglomeration is actually a covalent bond, van der Waals, hydrogen bonds, polymeric chain entanglement. So here I want to show you a simple synthesis of sol gel method from Dmitry Bokov 2021. So it starts from step 1, hydrolysis, from precursors plus solvents will form into sol formations, and then step 2, condension. So step 2, condensations, we will having the sol formations will change into connected porous, which is we call it gel. Step 3 will include supercritical drying, thermal drying, and also freeze drying, which is involve aging and drying. So the last step will be calcinations, which is from the aerogel, serogel, and cryogel change into the final products. So how do gel turn into aerogel using supercritical drying? So it is actually the liquid in the gel replaced by a solvent. So it will brought a supercritical state, which is high temperature and pressure, will allow liquid to transition directly to gas without creating capillary forces, preserving the porous structure of the gels and resulting in a lightweight aerogel. Next, how to gel change into serogel using thermal drying. So the liquid in the gel is actually evaporated under normal or heated conditions. So the capillary forces during evaporation cause the gel networks to shrink or collapse. So it produces a denser material known as serogel. So lastly, turning the gel into serogel using freeze dryer. So the liquid in gel is turning into a solid ice. Then the ice removed by sublimation, which is solid to gas under low pressure, preserving the structure of the gel. Then the result is the porous material called serogels. So this technique often used in biomedical applications. So after the serogel, aerogel, and cryogel, using calcinations step, it will produce our final products. So right now, let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of this sol gel method. So the advantages is it giving a good homogeneity and purity. It's very effective for effective ceramic materials, giving a fine structure and to pure components, and then not required for long thermal treatment, and also giving a strong network to each of the atom and molecule in the ceramic. So now let's move to the advantages. So what is the advantages? It giving a high porosity and low density. So if the shrinkage is not uniform, the body of the ceramic will deform. And if the porosity increase, the mechanical properties, strength, modulus, and hardness of gel decrease. So it will give a bad chemical structure in the ceramic if not able to stabilize the porosity and density. So lastly, the applications for this sol gel method, it will apply in synthesis at low temperature, to prepare a high purity products, very high production efficiency, production of optical components with complex shapes, synthesis of uniform compound in the form of composite oxide, and then possibility of designing chemical composition and obtaining homogeneous compositions. This is the reference. That's all from me. Thank you.